Hello students, my name is Malay Lukha. I am physics teacher in St. Norbert School, Damoh. Today in this video lecture, we are going to discuss Science Class 10th, Chapter 11, Human Eye and the Colorful World. In the next slide, we are going to discuss about the structure of human eye. As we see here, there is a side view of the human eye and front view of human eye. So from anatomical perspective, human eye is differentiated into two structures, external structure and internal structure. Whatever the structure we are visible to us is considered as external structure. In this diagram, the white part, the blue part and the black whole part is visible. So that's why it is considered as external structure. And here the lens, the retina and all the other part which is the considered as internal part of an eye. Now in the next slide, we are going to discuss about the eyeball. So in this one, whole eye is considered as eyeball. Its diameter is about 2.3 centimeter. After eyeball, there is new topic called cornea. So cornea is a thin membrane which is forms a transparent blush from the surface of the eyeball. The main function of cornea is to refract all light and send into the eyes. After cornea, there is iris. Iris consists of color pigments. So that's why our eye color defined. In this diagram, eye color is green. So it means the iris having a pigment of green color. The primary function of eye is to control the size of pupil. After iris, there is the next part, the center part is called pupil. Pupil is simply a dark hole and main function of pupil is to regulate the light, whatever is striking on it. After pupil, as you can see, just after pupil, there is a crystalline lens. This crystalline lens is biconvex lens. As we already know, biconvex lens having a function to converge the light ray. So it is also converging the light ray. Now we need to hold this crystalline lens. So this is called a ciliary muscles. So ciliary muscles, main function of ciliary muscle is to hold the crystalline lens and also it's change the curvature of the lens. After ciliary muscles, the last part of an eye is called retina. This is the last part of an eye, as we can see. Here all the images is formed. In retina, image is formed. So image is converted into electrical signal and this electrical signal is conveyed by optical nerve to the brain. Then brain interprets that image and create the image for us. And this is how we are able to see. Now the last two things is left called vitreous humor. Vitreous humor is nothing but a liquid filled between the crystalline lens and the retina. It gives us the nourishment to the eye. And after this, one last is there, aqueous humor. Aqueous humor is also a liquid. It is filled between the cornea and the pupil. It gives nourishment to the eye. I hope you like this video and think this is video informative. Thank you so much.